Cartesian product in Pandas. I have two Pandas data frames. What is the best practice to get their Cartesian product, of course without writing it explicitly like me?
In recent versions of Pandas, equals 1.2. This is built into merge so you can do. This is equivalent to the previous Pandas is lower than 1.2 answer but is easier to read. For Pandas is lower than 1.2. If you have a key that is repeated for each row, then you can produce a Cartesian product using merge like you would in SQL. Output. See here for the documentation. This URL.
This won't win a code golf competition, and borrows from the previous answers, but clearly shows how the key is added, and how the join works. This creates two new data frames from lists, then adds the key to do the Cartesian product on. My use case was that I needed a list of all store IDs on for each week in my list. So, I created a list of all the weeks I wanted to have, then a list of all the store IDs I wanted to map them against. The merge I chose left, but would be semantically the same as inner in this setup. You can see this in the documentation on merging, which states it does a Cartesian product if key combination appears more than once in both tables, which is what we set up.
Use pd.multiindex.from_product as an index in an otherwise empty data frame, then reset its index, and you're done. Out.
Minimal code needed for this one. Create a common key to Cartesian merge the two.
You